Hello friends, hola amigos de nuevo. I'm gonna make another dish. Voy a hacer otro plato vegano. Yeah, I added some potatoes there. Voy a ir más acá que ya las tengo cortadas. So, we're gonna use potatoes. Vamos a usar papas. Choclo. Maíz, corn. Whatever, I don't know. Just eyeball it. I'm also gonna use some onion, un poco de cebolla, some spices, probably algunas especias. Y I'm gonna use some of this to add on top. Voy a usar un poco de las arvejas, los porotos verdes y la zanahoria para ir arriba de la sopa. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for this to boil, to cook, pre-cook. Basically we're trying to do like a mash. Vamos a tratar de hacer como un puré con esto, and then we continue with the soup. So I'll wait for this to cook. Yeah, so now we're just gonna make the mash. Vamos a hacer el puré ahora. And since Rodrigo's kitchen doesn't have a strainer, o la cocina de Rodrigo no tiene un, ¿cómo se llama? Uno de esos. We're just gonna pour the water like this. Also known as the poor style. También conocido como el estilo pobre o the Chilean style. Now we're just gonna machinate it, or mash it if you don't understand. And maybe I can use the blender for the rest. Voy a sacar la juguera. Now I'm gonna show this. Of course I'm not gonna put the audio on this, pero voy a mostrarla igual. So I added the thing, right? Now I'm just adding some onion on the mix. And just gonna add some of this potato liquid. That, for those who don't know, Grandma says that is the best stock for soup. And now we're gonna blend this, and I'm gonna show you a little bit, just a little bit. This. This is the Ninja, so it's very powerful. There you go. That's what you want. Vamos a salvar eso, dejarlo de lado un rato. And in this same water, en esa misma agüita, we're gonna boil a little bit of this, Vamos a cocinar un poquito los vegetales. That are gonna go on top. Aceite de oliva. A little bit of olive oil. Thin sliced onion, cebolla cortada muy finitamente. We're gonna get the rest of the coconut milk. Vamos a sacar el resto con la leche de coco. Right here. Ronald, córtala por favor. Ronald, ya, te voy a regalar, weón. Today, you can see the difference between my cooking and Lara's cooking, We were supposed to be eating at 1, and it's 2 already. Do you see me rushing? Pero no salve ya. Sal, te digo, te voy a sacar la salt. Laura's a little picky. Suficiente. Sal y pimienta. Pero no, ahora te voy a buscar. Me está hinchando los de una forma increíble. Roasted garlic and peppers. My favorite is back. ¿Ah? Ajo y pimienta tostado.